People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. My t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. Here I have the world's finest coffee fragrance oil, which smells amazing. And then I have my stick blender, well, my scales, my stick blender, which is usually separate. This is the way it is when, this is my work area. And it's also the area that the dish drain goes in. So when the dish drain is here, it's lined up right here. And when I need to soap or whatever, I just go like that. Hold on. And then of course we got people that see me on the phone and decide they want to be curious. I'm fine. You good? Bye bye. So this is where I put it when it's being stored. I have my coffee grinds and my orange rinds right here. These are safety equipment that I will be wearing when the time comes. And of course this mode, which blends right on into the background here because, well, it's a dark background, it's a dark mode. But now I have all three boats because I went to the hardware store and got some suitable replacements. I got my lye locked in here, it's already measured. I have my coffee in here along with some coffee ice cubes because I ran low on the coffee, and I always save my extra coffee just in case I need it. So when I was, a few ounces short, I just added the ice cubes because each one of those ice cubes are 1 ounce. I used 14 of them. That had olive oil in it. This soap will be olive oil, palm oil, and lard. It's going to be a remake of the Chef soap, but it's going to be a hot process version, which will be ready today. This is a 12-quart stainless steel pot, and that's 80 ounces of soap. So that's well over 4 times the size, and the directions that Living on a Dime gave said make sure your container is 3 times the size. I'm making a video. That stays in the bathroom, please. Thank you. It says make sure it's 3 times the size so that way if it volcanoes you can contain it. But I'm thinking ahead because I'm that klutz that everything goes wrong on. So not only is this a 12-quart pot and it's going to have 80 ounces of soap in it, but I got it over the sink, so that way if I can't contain the volcano, it can go right on down the drain with this sprayer bottle helping it out. So that's ready. All I gotta do is take this, put it with this, and put it with this. And then when it's all said and done, this gets blended or folded in or whatever. And then it goes into the same mold that the original. Oh, at some point in time, the fragrance oil is going to have to go in there. I think I'm going to put the fragrance oil right here so I can see it before I do anything. So that way, yeah, that way I won't forget. So since curious people who are having a memory moment, which is why I can't do this now because with their memory doing what it does, yeah. For those that know, you will understand, and for those don't worry about it. But when people are having memory issues, I don't soap because I don't want somebody coming in going, "Ooh, what you doing?" You know what I mean? So I get everything set up. I got dinner in the oven. Because of the time, I'm just going to go ahead, cook them dinner, feed them dinner, give them their meds, wait till they go to sleep, and then I'll be back to do this. And for those that don't know, I am officially a HSCG member. That's the Handcrafted Soaping and Cosmetic Guild. And I'm going for my certification. But in the meantime, wow, that's a bright light. But in this place, yeah, the front-facing camera, everything is absolutely, positively, completely dark. So I use the back-facing camera, and that puts a light right here. And I don't want to do this just to record the video. So in the meantime, this has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube, People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly Soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. And my t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.com. Y'all stay blessed and stay tuned. Bye now. That's my card in case you want to buy some soaps from me. Bye now.